Attention parents, have you heard about National Daughters Day? It's time to make your daughter feel extra special. National Daughters Day, celebrated every September 25th, is all about showing our daughters just how much they mean to us. Whether it's sharing adorable photos on social media with #National Daughters Day or planning a fun day out, the goal is to make them feel cherished. Why not start with a heartfelt letter? Tell your daughter how much she means to you and relive those precious memories together. Or create a personalized gift that showcases your unique bond. Spending quality time is priceless. Take her out for her favorite meal or enjoy a day of her favorite activities. These small gestures can create lasting memories and strengthen your bond. Missed September 25th? No worries. There are plenty of other days to celebrate your amazing daughter. So go ahead, make her day magical. Don't forget to subscribe to Chicky Steps, share this video with your friends, comment, and give me a like.